Hello to everyone. In this video we'll talk about how to create consistent character in Midjourney. And if you didn't see, I made some time ago a video about how to create consistent image in Midjourney version 4 and Midjourney version 5. But in this video I will show you how you can create it with feature called Niji 5. So let's go and I will show you everything in detail. So first of all, let's talk about how to create such kind of images. As you can see, there is one simple character and there is different expressions of them. So how I create it? There is a prompt. This prompt you can copy in the description of this video. So I add only a few things. There is a S100, it's stylization, styles, and quality 2. So it's fit for me. If you want to know more about it, so you need go to the Midjourney Docs. Here is the docs of Midjourney and quality parameter. There's --Q. So for me, I am find it's well to use quality 2. You can there's examples quality 25. I mean .25, .5, quality 1. The next is style parameter. There is style and there is examples. So play with it and choose what you're more interested in or just like it more. In my case, it's style 100 and quality 2. So there is a parameter that you need to type in. It's Niji 5. Or you can just make it as default. You need to go to the settings, click enter, and there is a Niji version 5. So you just can click on it, and every time you type every prompt, this parameter will add this Niji 5. So what I did in this case, I chose the second image. There's second image, I just upscale it. And what you should do next? In my case, I choose to click button make variations just to see what other expression I can see in it. And as you can see, there's so many different expressions with one simple cursor. Maybe without it, because it without his legs. But everything else, just amazing. Let's go back. So the next step was I chose this one character and just delete all the background. So there is my image. How I did it? I just downloaded it to my Canva account. The link to this Canva you can find in the description below this video. And then I just crop the image I'm interested in. So in my case, it was this image. Done. As you can see, there are some issues. We can fix it. Just use edit image, background remover, and wait. So here there is no background, but we need to delete this one. What you should do? Erase, choose this one and erase it by yourself. And click done, apply. So there is image without background. Now you need just to download, choose first page and click transparent background and download it. Then I just upload it to Discord. If you don't know, just click here plus upload file and choose the file you want to upload. So let's go back. So now we need to describe our image to help Midjourney understand what type of image we want to create. In this case, there is an interesting prompt I will show you. And before I will show you, there is a prompt that Midjourney gave me according to my image. So there's 4 different style. For example, kindergarten, vector, backpack, anime boy walking with backpack in the style of Patrick Brown, charming realism, 32K UHD, and so on. So how I did it? You need to type in describe, click enter, and just upload the image you want to describe by Midjourney. And in this case, I choose force description. but I forgot to add Niji parameter, and this what Midjourney showed me. So it's not what I'm looking for. So here is my right image that I want to create. And there is a prompt, I add a phone in his hand. So let's check. There is no phone, but there is a cell phone. And in this case, yes, we see this phone. So how I did it? First of all, you need to take your image, open in browser, and click copy image address. Then I added this URL address and add my text from first description. There's first description, and at the end I add Niji 5, but a little bit change it. So there was a little boy with a backpack. Let's check. With a backpack, and then in the style of, but before in the style of I added a phone in his hand. So you saw it. The next one, the same thing. I just copy this, Command C, Command V, and change this text. A little boy with a small black cat nearby. Let's check. There is a same boy, but with a cat. There is cat. There is no cat. There is black cat. It's very cute. And this is cat, but not black. And I think he broke his leg. And stop! Before we'll continue, if this information is useful for you, don't forget, give me a thumb button, subscribe to this channel and hit this notification bell to see when I produce a new video. Let's go further. And I tried to play around. There is a same prompt, but I added a notebook in his hands. I think this is another boy. I don't like it. There is our boy. This one, okay, it's very, very cool. I like it so much. And this one, okay, this is the best one. And here I try to use a stick in his hand. There is a stick, but not in his hand. So the next, I wanted to change his mood. On the every image he laughing or just smiling, but I wanted something with sad character. I take the same prompt but add sad mood, and here we are. Just look at this. So what you think about this? It's really sad face. This is sad face. This not the perfect one. It's smiling the same way, smile, 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 but there is a perfect one. So what I did next, I just click variations of first image, click variations 1, and there is additional variations of sad mood, almost anger. And now when we change his mood, we can create other images in other styles. So in this case, I used upscale second image. Here it is. Then I did the same that I did with previous image. I take it to the Canva, delete everything I don't interested in. Then I just open a browser, copy URL, and use this URL to other prompt. So I used new image and add the same prompt, a little boy, and added only the notebook in his hands, the same, everything else the same. And just look, the same boy, but with sad mood, with a sad face. Just look at this. Come on, the same person in other mood. You can try anger or any other mood you're interested in. So let's check anger mood. And again, as you can see, the first few images is not the picture we wanted to see, but the last one, really anger, the same person, anger. I don't know, it's perfect, just perfect. So I upscaled the last one. Now we have this image and we can do the same. Choose this one, delete the boy we don't interested in, and do the same. I clicked on make variations to see more anger mood. So what do you think about such kind of opportunity to create a consistent image? I saw several comments that people asked me and told me that we need to agree that Midjourney is beep because it can't produce real consistent images, it can't change the mood and so on. Come on guys, you need to understand that this is a process. As I told in previous some videos, it's not a sprint, it's marathon, and it's including other technologies. So they develop their system, and Midjourney day after day, maybe month after month, will become more intelligent, and it will be much easier to create character more easily. So it's just a matter of time. If you want to know more about Niji style, give me a thumb button or leave some comments below, and I will create the video and explain more about Niji 5, so you will understand what kind of style you can use with Niji. There is a different anime style you can use to create your character. So I hope this video was helpful for you. There is a video that YouTube recommends special for you. Wish you a good luck and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.